Exercise 6.6. This exercise is basically all about problem sums which are based on division. So I'll tell you one catching point, that how you can understand that particular sum. In particular sum we have to do division. For that, you see question number 1. A train travelled 360 kilometers in 4 hours. In this much time, the train travelled 360 kilometers. How much distance did it travel in 1 hour? Assuming it travelled same distance in each hour. Question is, in 4 hours it travelled in all the hours same distance. So within 1 hour, how much does it travelled? You see, if in any question something is given for more, something when it is given for more, okay, and we have to find for 1, we have to find for 1, that particular type of questions always we will do division. If you remember about multiplication, I told that when it is given for 1 and we have to find for more than 1, then we do multiply, right? And for division, what method we will use? We will always keep in mind this thing, that when given for more than 1, okay, given for more than 1, that is sometime it is given for 6, 5 or whatever it is, given for more and we have to find for 1, that particular time we will do division. Just keep this logic in your mind, okay? You see here, it is written train travel this much kilometers in 4 hours. How much distance did it travel in 1 hour? Here it is given for 4 and we have to find for 1. For such type of questions we will do divide, okay? Similarly, if you see question number 2, a hospital ordered 696 new blankets. The blankets were to be delivered in 6 equal shipments. Means those blankets will come in 6 ships, okay? How many blankets will be there in each ship? You see, 6 ship will carry these many blankets. 6, 1, 2, 3 like that. 6 ships will carry this many blanket. It is asked how many blankets will be there in each shipment. Each means 1 shipment, okay? So given for more, we have to find for 1. So when it is given for more and we have to find for 1, we will do divide. Clear na? Just keep this logic in your mind. So how to solve the question? You see, first of all, in 4 hours 360 kilometer, in 1 hour 360 kilometer divided by 4, okay? So you can divide also like this. 9s are 36, zeros are 0, okay? So 90 kilometers is coming now. So in 1 hour it will travel 90 kilometer. Understood? Similarly, if we see question number 2, hospital ordered this many new blankets. Blankets will be delivered in 6 equal shipments. So we will write like this: in 6 shipments equal 696 blankets, okay? 696 blankets in 1 shipment. It is written na, each. So in 1 shipment equal 696 divided by 6. So while solving, 6 1s are 6, cross, then 9 1s are 6, then 3 will remain, then 6 6s are 36. You can see 116 blankets. Got it clear? Like this we will solve. So Whenever it is given for more and we have to find for 1, we will do divide. Similarly, given for more, finding for 1, we will do divide. Just keep this logic in your mind.